Well, we have donated this tree to Athens to use for their annual Christmas tree. It was on our property and growing into our driveway where it began to become a nuisance, and I was trying to give it away to a county for a Christmas tree. Finally got in touch with Best Sounders this year, and Athens-Clarke decided they wanted it. Everybody with the county was just super nice. They got it down in less than an hour and we're gone. I'm just glad it's gone to good use and a lot of people can enjoy it this year. We do this in memory of my dad, Richard Kellum. He was really Christmas was his favorite time of year. So this is a good memory. He was a lifelong resident of Athens. We had lived here 41 years too, so it's just a nice thing to do. I still call Athens home, so it means a lot. There'll be a lot of people that will appreciate this tree this year. And I know we've got some grandkids will definitely come by and ride by to see it, so won't you?
Yeah.